Welcome back. Hope you have a beautiful day and making it awesome one for you. In this video, I will talk about the Clipdrop. This is new AI platform where a lot of and amazing and interesting AI tools available. As you can see, stable diffusion, uncrop, cleanup, and a lot of that. Also remove background. Uncrop first of all. If you drag and drop the image, you can crop. First of all, you have to crop your image if you want. You have to crop as much as you want to crop your image, uncrop your image. Like if you, it is similar to Adobe Photoshop beta version, the generative fill tool in the new Photoshop version. So if you have not access to Adobe Photoshop beta version, so you can use the clip drop to uncrop your images. So you have to crop your images according as you want to uncrop your images. So you can also fit your images with your hand tool if you move your mouse towards the center of image. So you can also choose the landscape or portrait, and you can also write the dimension here. For example, its maximum size is 1024 by 1024. It is its maximum size if you are using it's free, and if you are premium, so you can also increase your size. But for now I'm just doing it very manually and very randomly. Like I want to go, for example, 612 and or whatever. You can also write your dimensions here. So I am going for 1024 by 1024 and simply click on the next, and it will take a lot of time. It depends on your internet. There are 4 results. First of all, the first result, I like it very much, and maybe I download it. But also there are a lot 4 results other you can check out, and you can download your results that you wish that you like. You can also download 4 results also, but I will just download the first one because I think first one is better than others. So, and on the top right corner there is the download button. From here you can download your results or your images or whatever stuff. And after that, my friend, there are a lot of facility there. You can also edit your images on the top left button, edit. You can also go there, and other tools are also there: image upscaler, relight, remove background, replace background, and reimagine Excel, and whatever. And first we check the uncrop, and now the second we will check is the, I think, replace background or remove background or relight. So replace background, if you drag and drop your images here, so you can also replace your background from here, and you can see it very accurate and very cleanly remove the background. But it is not very high quality image, and you can just change your background if you are the premium, if you are have buy their plan. But I have not buy their plan, so I cannot replace the background, but we can but I want to just show you that if you want you can use it. The other is cleanup. You can clean anything in your image. Like in the Photoshop beta version, you can use the remove tool. So if you have not using the Photoshop, so you can use this and just take the brush tool and paint on the area that you want to remove. It is similar to Adobe Photoshop remove tool. In the new version of Photoshop there is the remove tool, and if you are not able to use Photoshop, you can use the clip drop cleanup tool, and it will take a time. And you can see it has removed the area, but it is not very clean because it is very low quality of images, and I have not buy their plan. That's why it is quality is very low. And the other is image upscaler. So this is very low quality image. It is also my own image, don't worry, and previous one also was my own image. So you can use this slider to see before and after, but it is not very high quality image. And the other reason is that I have not buy their plan, so it gives low quality result if you did not buy their plan. And then similarly the reimagine. So if you use this, if you I drag and drop my image, so it reimagine myself to another one. So it is not, I don't like that, but you can use it. You can go to all tools, there are a lot of tools, and that's how you can You can check out the link in the description, or you can go to Google and search clipdrop.co, and that's how you can use this, my friend. If you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorials. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.